Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Jazz number plate light. First, ensure your car is completely off and gather your tools, such as a small screwdriver and your new bulb. You'll find the number plate light assembly usually located above the rear license plate. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what steps to follow for a successful replacement. To access the bulb, you'll typically need to remove a small trim panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off, being careful not to scratch the paint. Once the panel is off, you'll see the light housing. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab, then unscrew or unclip the housing to expose the bulb itself. This step is crucial for safe removal. Now that the housing is open, gently pull out the old, faulty bulb. It might be a twist and pull or a simple pull-out type. Take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated securely. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. A clean cloth can be used if needed. With the new bulb in place, reattach the light housing and reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Then, carefully snap or screw the trim panel back into its original position, making sure it's flush with the car's body. Finally, turn on your car's lights to test the new number plate light. Confirm it illuminates properly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.